Caffeine and the brain, unraveling the effects on neural plasticity. Welcome to our exploration of a subject that's as intriguing as it is relevant to many of us, the impact of caffeine on our brain's plasticity. Today, we dive into a new study that sheds light on how this commonplace psychostimulant found in our daily cups of coffee interacts with our brains. Caffeine acts as a non-selective adenosine receptor antagonist, particularly affecting the A1 and A2A receptors in the brain. These receptors play a crucial role in modulating long-term potentiation, or LTP, which is the cellular basis of learning and memory. It's like tuning a piano. You're adjusting the keys, or synapses in our case, for better performance. Now, let's talk about repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation, or rTMS. It's a technique theorized to work through LTP induction, used in treating neuropsychiatric disorders. By applying magnetic fields to specific brain regions, rTMS can modulate cortical excitability, which is a fancy way of saying it can turn up or turn down brain activity. The researchers measure this change through motor-evoked potentials, or MEPs. The study took a closer look at how caffeine might affect this process. While we know that a single dose of caffeine can diminish the plasticity effects induced by rTMS, what about those who drink coffee every day? Does chronic caffeine consumption alter the brain's ability to adapt and learn? To find out, the researchers conducted a post-hoc analysis combining 10Z-rTMS with D-cycloserine in 20 healthy subjects. They observed enhanced MEP facilitation in those who didn't consume caffeine regularly compared to those who did. This suggests that chronic caffeine use could actually limit the brain's plasticity, including the effectiveness of rTMS treatments. However, it's crucial to note that the study had limitations. The group of non-caffeine users was small, which could mean we're overestimating the effects. Also, we have to consider the possibility that other factors might play a role in this observed difference. Despite these limitations, the findings open up new questions. If caffeine can indeed dampen the brain's plasticity, what does this mean for our learning and memory? How does it affect those undergoing rTMS therapy? This is particularly relevant given the widespread use of caffeine worldwide. In conclusion, while the research sheds light on some intriguing possibilities, it's clear that we need more comprehensive studies. We need to better understand how caffeine, a substance so many of us consume daily, might be influencing the very way our brains function and adapt. This video is based on the research paper, Chronic Caffeine Consumption Curbs rTMS-Induced Plasticity by Megan Vigne et al. In Frontiers in Psychiatry. What do you think of this study? Drop us a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.